You'll see a little bit of it on the trash can down there.
It's ice falling, it's not snow. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, babe. It's a cold morning today. It's Sunday, January 5. Can you see on the first clip? Sabi ng asawa ko, hindi yan snow. It's rain na nag-freeze. Ayan, frozen rain. So it's ice. Hindi siya kagaya ng snow na smooth yung niya, ulan. Ito, kung maririnig nyo, para siyang ulan na matigas na bumabagsak sa lupa. Ganon. Tingnan nyo yung sa car. Yan na, na-freeze siya, diba? Ganyan. Ito. Yan. So, kapag snow kasi hindi siya ganyan. It means it's like rain na nag-freeze. It's snowing, but still there's ice, right, babe?
There's still a little bit of ice.
Snowing, but there's a big bunch of ice in here. Oh, you can feel it.
You can't hear snow come down.
I think it's ice still.
There's snow mixed in. There's big flakes.
Parang if you go outside, it hurts you.
Yeah, it ain't gonna hurt you. It ain't heavy enough to hurt you, but you'll be able to feel it when you walk in.
Here's the French toast. Thank you, babe. We put butter and syrup. Let's eat. Come on, let's give out. Oh, can you hear that? Para siyang bubog. It's ice. It's ice everywhere. Like this, It's really not a snow. My goodness. It's ice. Yeah. May ganun pala, no? Akala ko snow lang. Meron rin palang ice. Ice storm or winter storm. Meron siya talagang bubog, oh. Yan, I'm just here chilling. Hello, house. I'm back. Yeah, this is our neighborhood. Hindi na umuulan. Nag-stop na siya, kaya I decided to go outside. And it's so malamig. It's like -8, I think. Last time I checked is 26 Fahrenheit. Sa backyard. Tapos mayroon kaming mini little house na pwedeng tiran din yan. Ayan. Meron din yan aircon. Wala nga lang heating. Meron din siyang shower room, toilet. Para lang siyang studio type. Yan, ang aming backyard. Yun yung playground. Yung pinakita ko sa inyo last time. Yan yung back namin. Daw nung bonfire kami. Ito yung pile of chunks and leaves, pero hindi na nga natuloy kasi mahangin siya. So chilly. Sabi ni Warren, oh, don't forget your jacket kasi ako pag lumalabas wala akong jacket. It's really cold outside, you need to wear a jacket. Yeah, I got my puffer jacket from yesterday. Hindi naman ako masyadong pinawisan kahapon. Malinis pa yan. Ito yung binili ko sa sa Shein. Ang ganda. Kasya sa akin. Hindi naman siya ganun ka sikip. Okay lang. May ano pa naman. Nakahinga pa naman ang ate niya. Kasya siya. So, for those 0XL, get the XL size, which is size 12 lang. Regular size nila, mas mura. Ayan. Then jeans. Tapos rubber shoes. Nakadoble. May doble pa ako sa loob. Ayan. Para hindi tayo lalagyan. Hi! It's really ice. Not snow. This last time we nag-snow dito, hindi ganito. Ice talaga siya. Ayan yung car namin. Ayan, may mga... Oh! It's stuck in here. It should be melted. Ayan na, nag-ano na siya. Nag-yelo yung pinaka-ganito. Hindi mo pwedeng kaskasin dahil magagasgas. Ayan na, nanigas na siya. Oh my goodness. Can we still ride on this? Can we still ride on this and open it? Because I think it's stopped and frozen. My goodness. It's just the same. Oh, na-froze na siya. I can't do that like the snow because it's frozen, matigas. Para talaga siyang nasa freezer, yung yellow sa freezer. Yellow talaga. It's cold, Reaper? Cold? My goodness. It's starting to melt pero yung iba frozen pa rin. Parang nagkakaskas ka lang ng yelo. Bulit na ako madulas ng pag-akyat ko dito sa truck. Ang dulas ng apakan. Just need to check the road if it's okay. If it's okay. Because some roads are really full of ice. May mga ice pa dito. Down again. We're here in 5-Star. Yeah. Why we'll get gas. Masarap yung chicken nila dito.
Can I get a chicken and the potato wedges? Yeah, 2 piece. And ketchup, please. Thank you.
Got our meal. Got chicken, babe.